Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you where to find the save game files and config files for Subnautica 2 on PC. I'll guide you step by step through every folder so it's very easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type File Explorer. Click on File Explorer to open it. Now on the left-hand side, click on This PC. Double-click on your local disk C drive. Now we're going to open each folder one by one. Double-click the Users folder. Now double-click your Windows username folder. Now double-click the App Data folder. If you cannot see the App Data folder, click on View at the top of File Explorer. Then enable Hidden Items. Now double-click the Local folder. Double-click the Subnautica 2 folder. Double-click the Saved folder. Now double-click the Save Games folder. Inside this folder, you will find your Subnautica 2 save game files. Now go back one folder to the Saved folder. Double-click the Config folder. Now double-click the Windows folder. Inside this folder, locate the file called GameUserSettings.ini. Right-click the file. Select Open With and choose Notepad. Inside this file, you can edit your Subnautica 2 graphics settings and other game configurations. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find the save files and config files for Subnautica 2 on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.